Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD 2027 how to rename block. So as example, I will create a rectangle and then create circle. Now you can convert this object to block. You can type block, press enter and set the names like example. For pick points, you can click at this point. And for the object, you can select the two objects. Don't forget to check convert to block and OK. Now, if you select the block object and go to the properties tab, it will be show the names to example. If you want to rename this block, you can type rename, press enter. Now you can choose name objects to blocks and then choose the example block. You can set the names here, like I will set into circle. Click rename buttons and then click OK. So if you select the objects, the name should be set into the circle. Okay, that's it for basic AutoCAD 2027 how to rename block.